Hello everyone! So if you want to enable and disable the mini capsule on your Realme C67, so this feature helps you quickly see notifications or minimize distractions based on your preferences. So first of all, let's enable it. So find an empty space on your home screen, hold your finger on it, choose your home settings. In your home settings, where to find our notification dots. Tap on this option, and here we gotta find our mini capsule. Here it is. So now you have to turn it on by toggling the switch. Now it's on. If you want to turn it off, well, we have to repeat exactly the same steps. So once again, find an empty space, hold your finger, choose home settings option, notification dots, find your mini capsule and turn it off, just like that. Now you can decide when to see small notifications or focus entirely on your tasks. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.